Hold on, guys. Now, have you ever come across this kind of video?
Have you ever heard a story that sends shivers down your spins?
Or this
In the
kind
busy
of
streets
video?
of Oakwood, have you ever heard a story and you're scared to get up
I've
early
come
every
across these
morning?
two kinds of videos.
Locals in a small town, nestled between
Yes,
mist,
I know
some
you've
vanished
done.
for
And
hours.
you've come
The night fell
across this
only
kind
to
of
return
videos either on
unchanged.
TikTok or on
Air hung with
YouTube or
a history teacher
various other
decided to
platforms
set
like
alone in her
Instagram,
ancestral
something like
home,
that.
surrounded
And
by
you've been
silent
wondering
portals of bygone
how
dimly lit
that
and
these people
forgotten.
creating
Each
this
game
kind
fell
of
on in, she
videos.
discovered-
Well, today, I'm going to be showing you how to create these amazing AI story videos and how you can monetize them on TikTok or YouTube to start making money the lazy man way. Yeah, I call it lazy man way because you're going to be getting this done in few minutes. How you can create these AI story videos and get it done in just few minutes. And you can create lots and lots of these videos every day. And the most important and beautiful thing about this platform that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is that you can get to even use this platform to publish your videos onto this platform. I mean, you get to tell this platform that, hey, publish 2 videos on YouTube for me tomorrow, publish 3 videos on TikTok next tomorrow, publish 4 videos on TikTok the day after tomorrow. I mean, without even doing anything, I could just create 20 videos today and sleep throughout the week, and this platform is going to keep publishing like I am publishing on those platforms for me. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, I know it's beautiful. Okay, guys, welcome back to Nextlands, and of course, I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf, and you are right here on Nextlands, where we help people build different kind of skills so they can make money online and be self-sufficient for themselves. Now, today's video is going to be very short. I don't want to waste your time because we're going to be creating some videos. So let's go right straight into it. Now, this platform does everything for you. Like I explained earlier, it does from the video creation process to the audio creation, to giving it background music, to giving it different kinds of audio you want. It's just so amazing. Okay, so we're going to be creating amazing AI story videos, guys. Now follow me. Let's go right into it. So come here, right, guys. Now this is the home page of this particular platform. You can see you could create lots of faceless videos. You don't even have to show your face. That's what is reigning this kind of times on different platforms. People create faceless videos that they are not in the videos, and they make lots and lots of money online. Now I'm sure you've come across this kind of videos, and there are lots and lots more. Now all you want to do is to come right here and click on create. Then we're going to choose AI story. That's because that's what I want to create. Okay, I don't want to create this text like. This text like is what we call the text own. I definitely don't want to create this one that's the Reddit own. You have something like a chat, something like from Reddit. That's how this one works. So I don't want to create that. I want to create something like this, So I want to create a AI short story. So we're going to be coming right here, clicking on the AI short story. Okay, so we are right here, and now we're going to be choosing any one of these background templates. So I'm going to be going for this oil painting style. I think I like this, so let's choose this. Okay, now we come right down here and you click continue. Okay, now this is different kinds of templates. Okay, now before we get back into this template, I'm going to share some few things with you. If you want to create this kind of video and make lots of money the way other people are doing on platforms like TikTok and YouTube, guys, you want to stick to a particular category. Okay, if you're creating bedtime stories, you want to stick to bedtime stories. If you're creating motivational stories, you want to stick to motivational stories. You don't post motivational stories today, post bedtime story tomorrow, post scary stories next tomorrow on the same account. No, that's a very bad thing for those platforms algorithm, and it's just going to push you to the side after 3 or 4 trials. You're going to be like, no, this guy is not worth saving. Okay, now let's get back into this. So we've got different kinds of templates. We can see interesting history, and of course we can see long form jokes, bedtime stories, scary stories, motivational stories, philosophy stories, life pro tips, fun facts, urban legends, and many more. So I'm just gonna come here and choose scary stories this time around. Let's just use scary stories. Now let's come right back here and we're gonna put something down here. It states video starting hook. Now this is where you put in what you want a video to start from. Now since we're talking about scary, and we want this to be uniform among all our videos, so want to put something that is going to keep repeating itself over and over in the beginning of every video we want to put. So you have to think about this very well. So I'm going to be saying, let's say I'm going to put in something like, have you ever listened to a story that sends shivers down your spine, like the one we watched earlier? Or we could simply say, have you ever heard a story and you're so scared to get up? You're so scared to get up from the bed the next morning. So let's put something like that. Let's say, have you ever heard a story and you're scared to get up from bed the next morning? I think this is fine. So let's just use this. Just come back and put your here. Then this is the ending part. Okay, now this ending part is more like what you want people to do after watching your video. So you want them to like follow you, you want them to subscribe, you want them to like or share. Then you just have to put that right here. Say, did you enjoy this video? Or you say enjoying yourself. This is a question. Enjoying yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Isn't that cool, guys? Yes. Now we want to come right here and choose the script length. Now this is going to be generating the script that's going to generate the video. Like I said earlier, this particular platform does everything for you, unlike other platforms. Okay, so we're going to choose it at the 30 seconds to 60 seconds, 60 seconds to 90 seconds, 90 seconds to 120 seconds, whichever you prefer. I'm just going to leave it at 60 seconds. So let's click generate script. Okay, so now it's going to generate a script for us. Now the beauty of this is that you don't have to leave this platform. It's going to do everything from you from the beginning to the end. Now right here you can see, going to my screen, you can see right here we already have a script for a video. It says, the moon hung low, casting her shadows in the abandoned town. Sarah wandered through the empty street, feeling the weight of silence, blah 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 blah. Now if you read this particular script and you don't like what you're reading, you can simply come right here, AI scripts, click on it, and simply choose the same scary stories again, and simply come right here and click generate script again. It's going to give you a different one entirely. Now this is very beautiful. If you do this a million times in a day, you get a million kinds of script for a different kind of video. That's very interesting, guys. So just going to come down here and click next. Now here, like I said earlier, you've got to do everything on this platform. Everything is included. So let's just come here and choose whichever kinds of subtitle you want. You can choose anyone, but I'm just going to choose this. So I choose this and I click next. Now next we are at the voice section. Now this platform has lots of voice to use, guys, lots. Just listen to them one after the other. Whichever voice suits you, then you can decide to use them. Okay, this is Chim, this is Vikrat, India. This is Hadam. Okay, let's use Hadam. A lot of people use this. Yes, a lot of people use this on TikTok, on YouTube and everything. So let's just use Adam and click on it. And right here you can see background music. Just have to select background music. But if you don't want to use a background music for your own video, well, you're good to go. But I would advise or recommend you to use a background music. Then just have to like come right here and put this background music around 10. I think 10 should be okay. We don't want the music too loud that people don't hear the story. So then you come right here and choose any music you want. There are lots and tons of music right here. So just select any one you want. Let's just listen to this. Well, I think this is not bad for a scary video. So let's just choose this. But you can decide to listen to everyone else and see if you will enjoy it. But I'm just going to go for this first one, which is this. So we choose this and we come right there and click on generate video. Now this is as beautiful as this could get, and you get your video in just a matter of minutes, guys. Now don't forget, guys, I told you earlier that this particular platform doesn't just help you to get a video ready in a few minutes. It also helps you post these videos on different platforms, guys. You can use this platform to post it on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and you get to like just set everything down more like a calendar. You set the one that's going to post on Monday, you ask it to post on Tuesday while you're just sleeping, and this platform does the job for you by posting on those platforms for you. Isn't that amazing, guys? I know it's amazing. Right, guys, so before I show you guys the already videos, so let's just come right back here and go to publish. We're going to hit the publish button. We're going to go to publish. Here is where we can set up our videos. Whatever videos we create, we're going to set it up like to automatically publish it on our platform like YouTube, TikTok, and everything. You can see right here we've got something like a calendar. This is the one for the month of March, as I was creating this video on March 6th. So today is 6th of March and I'm creating this video today. So you can see right here I could set it up to upload videos today, to upload tomorrow, which is 7th, to upload the day after, which is 8th, and so on. And so you can come right here and select next week or select a different month. If I don't want it to be March, I could just click here and put it on April. You can see this is beautiful. Okay, and all you just have to do is to come right here and click YouTube. When you click on this, you're going to have the option to like connect your YouTube account. I don't want to do that because I have to like be rolling back here. Then when you click on this also, you can see it says connect TikTok. And when you click on this, you can see it says connect Instagram. So that's how you do it, and you connect whatever platform you want to connect. It's always 3 different platforms like it's there like from scratch, but you can always come here and add more channels. Just click on this all channels and you'll be able to add additional channel to it. Then after that, you can just come right here and click new post. Okay, it's saying no channel because I haven't linked any channel, but if you've linked channel, you're just gonna come here and click new post, or simply go to whichever day you want to post something for you on Instagram or something and click on it. Then it's gonna allow you to select whichever video you want to put on that particular day, and that's very beautiful, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Now let's go back to our video, which is obviously already ready. So let's go to my project. This is where every video you ever create would be. Okay, now we go to my project, and of course the video is ready. Oh, I think this is the one we just created, or is it this? Okay, we just created one of these two. I'm not sure, so let's check this out.
Are you scared of scary stories? You should run now. In the shadowy village of Eldermoor, whispers hung thick in the air. A crestfallen man named Harold clutched his rusted coin, obsession trailing his every step. Once a humble farmer, his heart now
this
pulsed
is beautiful,
with unquenchable
guys.
greed.
Now let's check the other one. I think it's 2 that's here. I'm not sure whichever one I just created. Maybe it's this one or the other one. So let's check this also.
Have you ever heard a story and you're scared to get up from bed the next morning? In a small town, nestled between misty hills, the night fell thick and heavy. The air hummed with an uneasy stillness. Clara sat alone in her ancestral home, surrounded by silent portraits of bygone relatives. Each gaze felt like a whisper, heavy with history. As the lantern flickered, shadows danced across the walls. An icy chill slithered through the room, causing Clara's heart to race.
Beautiful, guys, and all you have to do is just come right here and click download.
Presence.
And it's going to download on your laptop or your phone, whichever apps you're using to get this done. Now, this is beautiful, guys. Guys, this particular platform that I've been talking about since morning is no other platform than shortAI. Short.ai. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to be putting the link in the description below. Go over to the description below and you're going to see my personal link to short.ai. Of course, if you register through my link, I'm going to be getting some commissions, so that's no big deal. If you want to support me, then you should do that, but you don't have to register through my link. You simply go to short.ai and get started, create an account and get started, guys. So don't forget, guys, this is still Nextlands. We're going to be dropping a new video soon, of course, on how to make money, how to learn a new skills that's going to make you more money. And of course, I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf. This is not a goodbye, guys, but it's a good day.